Okay, so we're going to have a look at some questions from the 2023 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. We're going to have a look at questions 1 through 5. So an amount of 2,500 is invested at a simple interest rate of 3% per annum. How much interest is earned in the first 2 years? All right, so simple interest, I equals P times R times N. P is 2,500. The rate is 3%. The number of years is 2. So we have 2,500 times 0.03 times 2. That is 150. 150. So therefore the answer is B, and this is the correct answer. So now we'll have a look at question 2. We've got, in a normal distribution, what is the approximate percentage of scores with a z-score less than 1? Okay, less than 1, this is the mean in the middle, z-score of 1 up here, z-score of minus 1 down here. Everything below this point, well, we know these are about 34% each. We know the whole lower half is 50. 50 plus 34, that's about 84. So therefore, C, 84 is the answer. And C is the correct answer. So now let's look at question 3. We've got the number of bees leaving a hive was observed and recorded over 14 days at different times of day. What's which Pearson's correlation coefficient best describes the observations? All right, so we can see this goes up, so it's got a positive Pearson's correlation coefficient. The data is bunched quite close together, so it's 0.5 or up. The only one that satisfies these is D, and D is the correct answer. Question 4. A delivery truck was valued at $65,000 when new. The value of the truck depreciates at a rate of 22 cents per kilometre travelled. What is the value of the truck after it's travelled a total distance of 132,600 kilometres? Okay, 22 cents per kilometre. So the final value will be the initial value, 65,000, minus 0.22 times the number of kilometres, 132,600. So this gives us 65000 minus 0.22 times 132,600. My calculator tells me that this is 35,828. So this is going to be A, and A is the correct answer. So last question in this set is going to be question 5. 4 petrol pumps are shown, each with the amount of petrol purchased and its cost. Which one represents the best value? 24 litres for 46.70, 25 for 48.50, 26 for 52.30, or 27 for 54.80. So all we need to do is divide each of the costs by the number of litres. That'll tell us the price per litre, and then pick the lowest one. So A, 46.70 divided by 24, 46.7 divided by 24, that is 1.9458 ... For B, we have 48.50 divided by 25. That is 1.940 ... For C, we have 52.30 divided by 26. That is 2.011 ... And then for D, we have 54.80 divided by 27. This is 2.029 ... So of these 4, the lowest that we can see is B, and therefore B is going to be the answer. B is the best value per litre. Note that just because B is the best value per litre, it doesn't mean that B is the lowest cost, right? This is a common mistake that people make. If the question said what was the lowest cost, you'd just be picking the lowest number. If you're picking the best value, that is the lowest cost per unit, right? So there's a difference between lowest cost and lowest value. These are not the same things.